Ted McInerney.
Yeah.
He's always studying the weather from every angle, right?
It's really amazing what you can see from outer space, and you just see the weather. You can see weather on other planets too. That's why we know there's storms on Jupiter and everything like that. But it's those satellites really help us in severe weather because we start to see those lightning bolts, and that's when we know that there's thunderstorms developing. That's one of the tools we look at. So today we'll be looking at that as more storms pop up, and then we'll be monitoring a severe weather threat for Friday evening, and then turning much cooler for the weekend. Look at all the hail reports we had last night into the overnight hours. A ton of it, even some hail damage up in the Good Hope area. We got a report of hail fog from viewer James Lemonak. Look at this in Coleman. This is hail fog on the County Road 222. Look at that. That's a cool picture. Thanks for sending that in, James. We appreciate all the pictures. That's a rare phenomenon when the hail cools the atmosphere just above the hail that's accumulated, and it brings the dew point down. The air temperature down to the dew point causes a little bit of fog. 57 degrees for the 7 o'clock hour, and then 72 with some sunshine by noon, and in the afternoon we heat up, and that stationary front backs up a bit. We're going to have more scattered showers and thunderstorms around 5 o'clock. This is what happened on Storm Track satellite and radar. We had some additional rain and thunderstorms that roared through in the overnight hours, and now this morning we're dealing with just some clearing happening across the area. There's the front that got pushed down again, but it will slowly back up again, and that will cause, again, the chance for some marginal severe weather. That's why the Storm Prediction Center has us in that marginal risk throughout the area. Now, as we go into our Friday situation, there's a difference. We're in a slight risk for severe weather, and that will be for Friday evening, and the main threat will be damaging winds. So as we go out to our Storm Track Futurecast, today that front backs up. A chance for showers and thunderstorms develops into the evening hours. That front finally gets out of here. We'll get real warm for tomorrow. And we'll have scattered showers pop up in the afternoon and even as early as noon. Now, Friday morning, we start off with a mix of sun and clouds, and it will be a warm day. But then this cold front comes through. This is that slight risk for severe weather on Friday. 8 o'clock showing a line of showers and thunderstorms. The reason that damaging straight line winds is more of a threat than the hail yesterday is it's linear coming with the cold front versus yesterday everything was elongated and flat, and that's what causes those big hail suckers that move through the area. As we watch that cold front move out of the area, it will drop down to about 43 degrees on Saturday morning. Pretty crazy. Storm Track 7-day forecast. Look at this, 80, 78 looks pretty good. Saturday, much cooler, but it will be dry. Easter Sunday, 67 degrees. And let's break down your Easter Sunday forecast. You might have brunch in the morning or sunrise service. It will be a little chilly, but we'll get up to 60 by noon, 67 by 3 o'clock with a few clouds and Easter egg hunts. It will be dry, and by next week, another chance for rain and warmer. Gina.
Ted, thank you. At this hour, we're learning more about a traffic accident.